Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Samsung Watch Ultra. To begin, power on your new device by pressing and holding the home button, typically located on the side. Next, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone to easily pair the two devices. Once connected, you can personalize your watch face and adjust essential settings like notifications and display brightness, ensuring your watch is perfectly tailored to your daily needs and preferences right from the start. Navigating your Watch Ultra is incredibly intuitive. You can effortlessly swipe left or right to cycle through your customized tiles, giving you instant access to information like weather or your activity rings. A quick swipe down from the top reveals your essential quick settings and any new notifications. For even smoother interaction, simply use the rotating bezel or digital crown to scroll through menus and lists with precision and ease. Your Samsung Watch Ultra is a powerful health companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate throughout the day, providing valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. You can track over 100 different workout types, from swimming laps to running marathons, with precise data. Furthermore, it analyzes your sleep patterns, offering personalized coaching to help you achieve better rest and overall well-being, making it an essential tool for your fitness journey. To truly maximize your Watch Ultra, leverage its smart features. Use Bixby or Google Assistant for hands-free commands, from setting timers to controlling smart home devices. To extend your battery life, consider adjusting the display brightness, turning off the always-on display, and managing which apps run in the background. Don't forget to explore the Galaxy Store for a vast selection of third-party apps that can further enhance your watch's capabilities and personalize your daily use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.